Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for March the 8th, brought to you today by editorial researcher Nina Whittle. In our top news story, Sanofi and Merck Co plan to end their joint vaccines operations Sanofi Pasteur MSD in Europe. The companies noted that the decision took into account individual strategic priorities and the economic and regulatory environments in the EU. The 50-50 joint venture was created in 1994 to develop and commercialize vaccines originating from both drug makers' pipelines in Europe. Following the split, Sanofi and Merck will integrate their respective European vaccine businesses into their own operations. In other news, Amgen is open to larger purchases this year whilst also vowing to remain disciplined. Chief Financial Officer David Meline said the company is more energetic about being out there, having held off on potential deals in 2015 that weren't considered the right fit. In addition, Merck KGaA's fourth quarter profit fell 55.1% to €125.7 million, held back by costs related to the $17 billion acquisition of Sigma Aldrich. Sales rose 15.5% to €3.5 billion, ahead of analyst estimates of €3.4 billion, although revenue from Rebif declined 8% to €440 million. And finally, Merck Co has asked a jury to award it 10% of the $31.7 billion in revenue generated by Gilead Sciences' Sovaldi and Harvoni. The move came after a judge concluded that the hepatitis C drugs infringe patents held by Merck. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.